Did you know in Octopus you can keep your rundown neat and tidy, even if you decide not to air some of the stories and skip them? For example, if I'm running out of time and decide to skip these 4 slugs, here's what I can do. There is this clear button. I press on it and Octopus will move all skipped stories to the very end of the rundown, under the line marking end of my show. Practical. From here I can then easily move them somewhere else. For example, I drag them to a story folder that I named Fridge. Here they will wait for me until I decide to use them again. I can also skip and move single story below the off-air line by choosing the option from the menu next to the skip button. This will help me to keep my rundown nicely organised.